Welcome to PaidToday, how to add a contact to one of your courses or a team member. If you need to get your course access to somebody, if you want to gift it, if you are using it as a training course for your team members, um, or maybe you're using it as a way for your clients to be prepared for the work that you're going to do for them. All you got to do to add them so that they can access your course for free is go ahead and open up your courses on the left hand sidebar and then choose the course you want to add the contact to, and then go ahead and click edit, and then go over to course members on the top tab here, and then we got to go add contact to course, and then we can go ahead and choose. We can search for whoever we want to add. We'll just add Art, so we'll choose him. Art Vandalay has now been added, and if you had a team member, you would search for them and add them. If you need to get rid of somebody, you can also remove them. Um, maybe you only wanted to give them access for a short period of time. That's totally fine. You go ahead and just click the garbage can here, the trash can on the right, and then it'll ask you to remove them. And now they have been removed. We still keep a record that they had access though, but they no longer have access to this course.